In this video, we're going to get our first look at the command line interface, or CLI for short. So let's create a new workspace. I'm going to give this one the name of CLI test. And I'll give it the description of testing out the command line interface. Again, we'll leave it as public, and we won't clone from Git or Mercurial. This time I'm going to choose the blank workspace template. The reason why we've opted to choose a blank workspace is because we don't need the boilerplate HTML files. We just want a simple, clean and empty environment to work from. Now the tool that we're going to be using to work with the command line interface is called the terminal. And when you open a new workspace, the terminal is already open by default down at the very bottom of our window here. But I'm going to click on the plus button and then select Add New Terminal so that we have a full screen view. The first command that we're going to use is one called echo. And echo works like a print statement. So if I type echo hello world, it prints or echoes out hello world to the console. If I do echo hello cloud9, then as you can see, hello cloud9 is echoed or printed to the console. The next command that we're going to look at is the history command. This is very useful for accessing commands via shortcuts. As you can see, it gives us a full history of the commands we've typed already. Number 3 is history, 2 is echo hello cloud9, and 1 is echo hello world. The numbers on the left-hand side indicate the IDs of the commands, and we can use the exclamation mark to access them, followed by the number of the command we want to run. So if I do exclamation point 1, it says echo hello world, which is the command we want to run, and then underneath the output, which is hello world. If the terminal gets too cluttered, we can use the clear command, and that will just clear the screen. Now that doesn't clear the history, it just removes text from the screen. As you can see there, we still have clear showing in our command history. When we've finished working with the terminal, we can use the exit command to close it down. To open a new terminal, we can use the drop-down as we did before, or we can use the Alt-T keyboard shortcut on Windows or Command-T on Mac, which is what I'm going to do here. This has explained the basics of working with the terminal, how to type commands, how to view command history, and how to access them using the shortcut. In our next video, we're going to start having a look at basic file and folder structure.